How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do the best slim finger tutorial in 3 minutes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the first exercise I'm going to do, guys, is going to be extensions. So just like this. Perfect, quick little break. I'm then going to do curls like this. "30, keep going. 40, quick little break. We're then going to do the claw stretch. So get your hands like this and then squeeze super tight. Hold this for about 20 seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 5 more seconds. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna go like this. Quick little break. We're then gonna get our hands like this and squeeze super, super tight. Hold for 20 seconds. Keep going, 10 more seconds. Perfect, extensions. "30, perfect. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.